Hi everyone, Irina here. That's Irina with an A. I think you can hear my dog in the background. I'm sorry about that. He's gone absolutely wild. Today I want to talk to you about surfing an urge. So I'm talking about urges and cravings that you may feel. And it could be for food, or it could be for alcohol, or actually any substance. So when we have cravings or urges, I'm sorry about Teddy, when we have cravings or urges, we often feel that we have to fight with them. In other words, we go to battle, because all we want to do is we want to beat them and we want to stop feeling that way. But what I suggest you do is you actually sit with it. Or what I'm about to share with you is a technique called riding the urge wave. And because the thing is, if you give in to urges, you establish a pattern of addiction. And every time you feel an urge for that substance or whatever it is, you will be more likely to give in to it. I'm not going to get into the science of it today, but that's what happens. And then you start feeling guilty. It's not really the way you want to feel, right? So let me tell you how to use the urge wave, how you can surf your urges. So basically what you do is imagine that the urge is the wave and you're the surfer. One funny example, not funny, but I mean an example that I use with one of my clients today is when she's walking down the chocolate and biscuit aisle to picture herself as the surfer, and she starts riding the wave from the beginning of the aisle until the end. So what actually happens is you relax into the feeling, you stop fighting it, and the urge will reach a peak, just like when you're surfing a wave. It'll reach a peak, but then it'll start to go down. And if you allow for that to happen and you trust yourself enough to do that, the wave will ebb and the urge will be over. And the more you practice that, the better you will get at it, the more confident you will become. So I encourage you to try that, and I would love to hear about your experience with urges and cravings. Please comment below and share your story. And if you want more tips like that, please follow the link below. You can download a report that will give you more tools and tips. And I'm going to say bye for now until I see you next Friday. Irina with an A, your emotional eating coach. Have a great weekend. Ciao.